Hi everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with another Valentine's set. I know I only did this set a few days ago, but I just wasn't feeling it whatsoever. But I'm still glad I did it and I posted it up. So because this is actually acrylic, I thought I didn't really want to be taking all the acrylic off. So I thought I'd do a gel polish design on these. But before I could do that, I need to remove any of the top coats and foils and anything like that and get it back down to the basic of the acrylic. So this is what I'm doing here. Once I've done all the filing, giving it a good brush over and then a scrub with alcohol with a brush. Make sure all the dust and debris is off my nails. Then we're going to paint the nails with Keep It Sassy by 2 AM, and the nails we're doing is the pinky, the middle finger and the thumb. I have decided to do this video a little bit slower than I normally would do. If you like this style, please let me know and I will continue to record doing slower actions. It's just me personally, I like to watch the videos and the results quickly because I'm impatient, so I just presume everybody else is the same. As you can see, there is different colours of the acrylic, but on the finished results you don't see because these 2 AM polishes are so opaque. It's really good. Then we're going to come in with the GLITTERBELS non-white top coat, and we're going to top coat those 3 nails and cure them in the lamp. And then once they are all cured, we're going to come in with a chrome from Tia's Beauty in ruby. I was going to say ruby red, but it's just ruby. And then we're just going to put that on. I did get a bit too much on my little sponge there, so you can see I put some extra on the other nail so that one nail wasn't over coated. And then just continue to do that on all of the nails that we've painted red. Really good chrome. These have not had any chipping whatsoever. Now once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to come in with a silicone tool and just give that a really good rub. And then we're going to use the NAIO Nails matte top coat, which will then give these chrome nails a satin finish. Really do like this look on the nails at the moment. And then we're going to paint the other 2 nails in the Widowed also from 2 AM. I'm sorry, I'm slightly couldn't really get this into camera. It's awkward trying to do the filming and get everything nice and neat, so I do apologise for being slightly off camera there. It's definitely working on different angles once you're filming, then rather you just paint them how you would normally paint them. You're not having to think about positioning of your nails. Then we're going to use that matte top coat again and put those in the lamp. Now that's the base colours down, and we're going to come in with that Widowed again, and we're just going to use a striper brush. This is my Lescente S2 I think it is, and I'm just going to put a thick stripe going diagonally across my pinky. Once I do this though, I've got it, and then I think I actually prefer it to be a little bit thicker because I was wanting different thickness of lines. I don't know if any of you has ever watched V from years ago, back in the 80s. I absolutely loved it. But when I was doing these before I started doing the other decorations, it did remind me of V just because of the black and red. And I thought, I wonder if I could do a set with V, do some aliens and black and red on there. So might give that a try one day. And here we are. We just want to put a very fine line down here. I didn't want a thick line of the black. I was happy with that. I'm going to cure the black and then come in again with the matte top coat. And then we're going to use a 2 AM in white paper and a dotting tool and the same striping brush, and we're going to make miniature hearts. It is a very fiddly job. Not going to lie, it did take me quite a while to complete this set because it was very time consuming, but I do really enjoy wearing them. I think they look fantastic. Not used gel polish in such a long time that I have been losing my skill somewhat of doing hand painting, so I was quite impressed that I managed to do these hearts. And on this particular nail here, you'll see I've left a gap. That's because I want one black heart to go there, but I didn't quite judge it right, so it is a bit off-centered unfortunately, but it doesn't matter. That's the whole point of nail art anyway. It's down to your own interpretation of what you like. So once we've cured that white gel polish in the lamp, we're going to come in with this gold dust from Tia's Beauty and give it a good rub. Once you're happy with that, we're then going to matte top coat the actual nail and cure it in the lamp. And then when it comes out of there, we are then going to go over these gold hearts in the top coat to make them shiny. Do apologise that my camera failed on me a few times during this and I didn't get me painting that black heart into the nail that's already there, but you got your gist with the hearts I'd already done. It was no different, the same style. Then we're on to the next nail and we're just going to outline some dots there for where I want to put the striping down, because I want to do a V instead of just a normal plain line going down, and this really helps to keep things a little bit level. And it doesn't matter, you take your time, like say I'm taking my time here because I do want it straight, I don't want it wonky. I want it straight as you can get it. And then once you're happy with the actual thickness of the line that you want, you just go in and then colour the blank spaces in. And I was talking about the Tia's Beauty products, just in case any of you are new here on my channel. You can actually get 10% off at Tia's Beauty using my code Dizzy10. And if you keep an eye out on like their Instagram and stuff like that, they're forever always having offers on, like throughout January they actually had 20% off the website throughout, so it's always handy to go and give them a follow over there or on TikTok. So, and then we're going to come in with a thin line here again in the red. I actually did do this design for my TikTok account and I fell in love with it, and I was like, right, I've got to give this a going over on my own nails, and so now you're getting to see it on my YouTube. So if you don't follow me over there, you might want to, because I do put more nail art videos up on there just because it's so much quicker and easier. And as you can see there, I just put some non-white top coat over the red gel polish, and then we're coming in with the chrome. I didn't anticipate the chrome actually sticking to the matte top coat, so I do spend quite a bit of time cleaning it all up because it did go all over. And then once I'm happy with that, I'm going to come in and just do a solitary heart at the cuticle area in that, using that white paper gel polish again. And then we're going to do a stripe at the bottom of that first red stripe, or just basically in the middle, and we're going to paint that in the white again. Once that's cured, we're going to then put this same gold dust over the top of that, really giving it a good rub in as well. It's very fine. It's very fine because it's so super shiny. It's really, really good. The camera just does not pick up how shiny this particular dust is, and it's very holographic as well. So to seal all that in, we're coming in with the matte top coat, and again just on them gold bits we're then going to put a non-white top coat on those, just so that shine really comes out. Unfortunately it doesn't show up as well as it does in person as it does on camera. And now we're into the middle nail. Now this is probably the most simplest nail I've done. I'm literally just drawing on some love arts here in the white gel polish basically, and then we're going to dust them over again and then we're going to go in the centres and do a heart, like a double heart really, with the black. Once we've done that, we're going to matte top coat that again, and you guessed it, yes, we are going to go over the gold with the non-white top coat. It just really gives a really nice effect to have the two dimensions of the matte and the shiny, the contrast of it just looks really cool. So yeah, so when we top coated again, like I say, and then we're going to come in with the top coat, the shiny top coat, which I'm just repeating myself, so I'm sorry guys. Then on the black matte nail, we're going to come in and do lots of miniature hearts using the dotting tool method to do 2 dots and then a V and then colouring it in. And we're literally going to do this on the whole of the nail using the same white paper from 2am. Now I've got that first line in, I can see where the miniature V's are. And the way I kind of worked this in to try and keep it straight was I'd do the 2 dots in the centres of where the bottom of the 2 love hearts would be, so that they would keep the space in. So I'm not saying it's perfect because it's far from perfect, but it just helped me keep things more in line as such. This is probably my favourite nail of all. This one or my pinky, to be fair. And I actually really liked it in the white, and I kind of wished I'd done it just in the white now, but I still like the gold dust, whereas the white just didn't give any shine. Though I could have used a white dust over it or a white glitter to make that shiny. So it may just be one of my nails I might end up redoing again at a later date. Not now, not for Valentine's, but just in the future, the black and white. I just really like the effect of it. And like I say, I do really like the effect with the shiny against the matte. I've never been one for matte nails, so since buying this NAIO Nails matte top coat, it's just like blew me away. It's just amazing matte top coat. I cannot rave about it enough. It's like I need a truck full of it because I can see me going through it like there's no tomorrow. That and the foil gel. Again, we're going to come in with that Tears Dust and rub that all over. And then we're going to come in and put that matte top coat in again. And the reason I am doing this is to seal it all in, because I don't want that glitter being loosened off by me missing a bit by individually painting these with the top coat. And that's why I top coat it afterwards again. And then this foam, the last one, it's nothing fantastic. I literally just written love. Never really written any letters on my nails before, and definitely not used a nail art brush for it, so do forgive me for it being quite a lot wonky if I'm honest. So I just like try to do joined up writing, double writing, whatever you want to call it, but instead of using an O, I did a heart and then I coloured that in. And then I put a little X on it at the end, then matte top coated it, and then went over the love again with a shiny top coat to get that same contrast, the theme going throughout my nails. And that's it guys. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and please comment and subscribe to me, and I really appreciate it. I'd also like it if you check out my other social media, so it'd be fantastic, but no worries if not. Thanks for watching again, and I shall see you soon. Bye.